arrays, guys. Next topic is arrays. We discuss arrays, guys. Yeah, guys, right? Arrays, guys. Right? Array is a collection of similar data type elements. Next topic. Array is a collection of similar data type elements. Again, we discuss arrays with pointers, strings with pointers. Pointers not completed till, okay. Pointer is a concept. We discuss entire all topics. We discuss pointers, guys. Array is nothing but array is also pointers. Okay. Array is a collection of similar data type elements. Write a first point. Array is a collection of similar data type elements. Data type, array name, size. This is a syntax, guys. This is a single dimensional. We are talking about single. After that, multi-dimensional arrays we discuss, right? Syntax, data type, array name, size. Int of 5 is see this valid. This is we can write like this. Yeah, some declarations we discuss, right, guys? Quickly. Array size must be an unsigned integer, that is which is greater than 0. The first point. Array size must be an unsigned integer. Total 23 declarations are there. I will show you one by one. Okay. See once. Array size must be an unsigned integer. Array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. First point. Yeah, int a of 5. Is it valid? Yes. Size is 5, guys. Size of a is what? Size of a is how much? Right. See this. Int a of 5. Size is 5. Array size is 5. 5 elements will be there. Size of a is what? 5 into size of integer. Size of integer what? 2 bytes here. 10 bytes it takes. Now next point. It creates 5 variables. They are one diagram we write. See this. Write the first one. First point. What are the different types of declarations are there? It creates 5 variables, guys. It creates 5 variables. What are those 5 variables? See this. For example, this is a of 0, first element, a of 1, second element, a of 2, a of 3, and a of 4. Yeah, we can take this is that address, guys. This value stored in 2 bytes, 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, and 1008. The sequential order it will store, guys. All elements. This location name is what we call a of 0. This location is a of 0. Total 5 elements. Index starts from 0 only. Okay. A of 1, a of 2, and a of 3, and a of 4. A of 0, a of 1, and a of 2, and a of 3. A is the address, guys. A is the what? Array is nothing but a pointer. What is a value? A value is 1000. A value is 1000, guys. This value is how much garbage value, guys. This value also garbage. Initially, garbage. It's also garbage, and it's also garbage. You write int a of 5. All values are 5 values are garbage value. Garbage value and garbage 5 values are garbage. It creates 5 variables. They are draw this diagram. Array index starts from 0, guys, ends with size minus 1. Array index 1 point, right, starts with 0. A of 0, 5 elements. If 5 elements means starts, first element is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Size minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. It ends with 5 minus 1. Index starts from 0, ends with size minus 1. This is called index, guys. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Complete second syntax. Yeah, yes, write second syntax. Int a of 0. Can you write or not? Int a of 0. Valid or not? Error, right? With 0 elements, we cannot create an array. Int a of 0 means error. With 0 elements, we cannot create. A of -3 also error, guys. I will show you this too. See, can I create int a of 0? Is it valid or not? See this. Int a of 0. Can I write a of 0? See once. Now it is one error. Array must have at least one element. See the error. Array must have at least one element. With 0 elements, we cannot create array. Int a of 0 is error. Okay. Now -3 also. Can I write int a of -3? Or any number, negative number, can I write size as a negative number? -3 elements. What is -3 elements? It's not possible. That is the same. Array must have only at least one element. That is the first node. Array size must be an unsigned integer, positive number, which is greater than 0. Okay. Next one, right? Fourth one and fifth one. Fourth one and fifth one, guys. 2 less than 3. Can I write a relational operator? Can I use expressions? Yes, guys. What is 2 less than 3? True or false? Yes, true, right? 1. It returns 1. 2 less than 3 returns 1. Int a of 1. This is valid, guys. 2 greater than 3, false. 2 greater than 3, false. Then it returns 0, right? This is a error. This is valid. Int a of 1 we can write. With 1 elements we can create array. The 0 elements we cannot create array. Okay, 2 less than 3 is valid. Int a of 1 is valid, but 2 greater than 3 is error. Can I write 2 plus 3, guys? Can I write 2 plus 3? Is it valid? Fifth, next one, guys. Sixth one. 2 plus 3. See, guys, 2 plus 3 is a valid, right? 2 plus 3 is a valid because why it's a valid, guys? 2 plus 3 is a 5. It's a valid, guys. 3 comma 4 comma operator, right? I said comma operator. What is comma operator? Returns 4. Now 4 value it takes, guys. This is comma operator takes right condition int a of 4. This is valid. Seventh one is also valid. Next, complete the seventh. Complete next one, guys. Eighth one. Yeah, can we declare variables? Int of n is 5. Can I write int of n is valid or not, guys? N is 5. Int of n. See, guys, actual array concept is variables are not allowed as a size. N is not allowed, guys. Int of n. Constant values only allowed. Constant numbers. Int of n. Can I write actual array concept is this? N is 5, but in some compilers, in online compilers, it accepts, guys. One error. Constant expression required. Variable expressions are not allowed. Are you following, guys? What is error? Constant expression. Constant required. Constant expression. N is what? Variable expression. Variable expressions are not right. But in some compilers accept this kind of declaration. But its actual array concept is not correct. Okay. Now eighth one. Write this. Eighth one. Variables are not allowed as a size. But in some compilers accepts this kind of declaration. Eighth one. Ninth one, guys. Yeah, what is the max size we can declare? Int of 1000. Next one. Eighth one completed. Eighth one. If constant int also, it's not valid, Pranit. Pawan, comma operator, it takes 3 comma 4, right? Right value it takes 4. Now size is 4. Comma operator takes right value, right? As a constant int also, it's not valid. See this. Both are same, that's why I did not tell. Constant int is a constant int, even though it's a error. Constant expression, it is a constant, it's a valid, but variable only, that is variables are not allowed. Int or constant int, both are not allowed. Okay, variables are not allowed in this declaration. Next one, guys, ninth one. Yeah, int of 40,000. Can I write 40,000? What is the max size, guys? What is the max size? 40,000. Is it valid or not? We check it. Okay, see, 40,000 is valid. Can I write int of 40,000? Next one, guys, int of 40,000. What is the max size? 4,000 is valid. 40,000 is valid or not? We check it. See, yeah, error it is. What is the error? Array size is too large. Why array size is too large? You know, right, guys? What is stack size? Yesterday class we discussed, before yesterday class. What is stack size, guys? You know, right? Stack size is what? All variables stored in stack area of data segment. I told you, right? This is a variable stored in stack area. I said, right? What is the stack size? 65,535. 1 to 65,535. It is the stack size, guys. Are you following? It is a stack size. Variables, can you store 40,000 variables? Yeah, 40,000 variables it is. You are asking for 40,000. Each variable require how many bytes? 2 bytes. 40,000 into 2, how many? 80,000. Is there 80,000 bytes? Not there. Are you following? It's not valid. Okay, 30,000 bytes is valid. Yes, 30,000 into 30,000. It's a valid, guys. 30,000 it accepts. No errors. What is the maximum size? Total size by 2, right? Total size by 2. What is total size? 65,535 by 2. What is 65,535 by 2? 65,535 by 2. How much, guys? 32,000. Why? Because you understood, right? 32,000, 65,535 by 2. That is the max size, guys. 65,535 by 2. Integer takes how many bytes? 2. How many maximum size? How much you can allocate? 65,535 by 2. That is a valid, guys. Okay, can I write plus 1 for this? We can't write plus 1. It's an error. Array size is too large. What is this value? If we found this value, 32,767. This is the maximum value. 32,767 is valid, guys. It's a valid. No errors, no warnings. We can check it. Can I write a plus 1? One value extra. If I write plus 1, it's an error. Array size. Yeah. Yeah, I will write a plus 1 means 32,768. See this, guys. Array size is too large. 32,768. Clear? Yeah. If I write like this, 32,000, 40,000. See this. It creates 40,000 variables. It creates 40,000 variables. Each variable requires 2 bytes. Total 40,000 into 80,000 bytes required. Are you following, guys? But stack size is how much? 65,535. What is the max size? Write this ninth one, guys. This is a max size. Completed, guys. Maximum size is total stack size by integer size. Stack size is 65,535 by 2, right? This is a 16-bit compiler. 2 power 16 minus 1, guys. Okay, we are using 2 power 16 minus 1. If you use online compilers, that is 32-bit compiler. 2 power 32 minus 1, that is the size. Now, next one, guys. 10th one, character of 40,000 is valid or not? 10th one and 11th one. See this, 40,000 character, how many bytes it occupies? 1 byte. It's a valid. Okay, float of a 4.5 also 4.5 elements. Can you write 4.5 elements? It's error, guys. 10th and 11th. Yeah, next one. Maximum size is 32,767 only. Pawan. Fifth declaration. Fifth one is what? 2 greater than 3. 2 greater than 3 means what? False, right? 2 is greater than 3, false. 0. Int a of 0 is error, right? Yeah, completed, 11th till 11th. Initializations, guys. Total 23 or 25, 26 are there. Okay, I will tell you what are the different. If you have any doubts, we can ask different types of declaration allows or not. Okay, see once 12th one. I will show you guys 12th one is valid or not. Tell me, guys, 12th one is valid or not? Yeah, I will tell you, Pawan. I will tell you about that. Yeah, valid, right? That is 12th one is valid because 3 elements are there. Can I write 4 elements? Next one, A of 3 equals to 4 elements. Is it valid or not? Fourth one, see this, guys. You cannot write fourth one. 3 is A of 3 equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Size is how much? 3. It is error. 4 elements we can't write. Next, 14th one, guys. Write a 14th one, 15th one. See this. Declaration is error. Here we write on point. Yeah. In declaration, size is mandatory. Here, right. In declaration, size is mandatory. But in initialization, size is optional. In initialization, 15th one, guys. Here size is in declaration, it is called declaration. In initialization, size is optional. Size is optional, guys. See this 15th one. What is 16th one? Before writing, how to know the size, guys? Tell me, guys, size how much? If you want size 3, we can tell the size, but I want variable. How to find out? Total size by one element size. Can I write total size is how much? 3, right? Total size is how much? 3 elements are there. 6. 6 by one element size. Can I write like this? Size equals to size of total array by size of A by size of one element. We get that size. Okay. If you want, we can write size also. Next one. 16th one, guys. Write a 16th one. 16th one. 16th one, write quickly. Yeah. For example, int a of 5 equals to only one element I initialize. Remaining elements, guys. What are the remaining elements? See, rest of elements it initialized with zeros, guys. 16th one, right on point. A of 5, right? This is A of 5. For example, first element you initialize. First element is 10. Rest of elements you did not initialize, guys. Rest of elements 0, 0, and 0, and the remaining elements are 0. Rest of all elements A of 1, A of 2, and A of 3, and A of 4, right? These elements. This is A of 0 is, you can write. Say A of 0, A of 1, right? You can write A of 1, A of 2, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. Right on point, guys. Whenever you are not passing sufficient elements to the array, whenever we are not passing sufficient elements to the array, Rest of elements it initializes, compiler initializes to 0. Rest of elements compiler initializes to 0. Compiler initializes to 0. Okay, right. If I initialize one element, rest of elements are zeros, guys. Okay, complete at this point. 16th one, right? For example, if 5 elements you have to pass, you did not pass 5 elements, only one element. This is a question what I wrote. Whenever we are not passing sufficient elements, sufficient means tells కదా, sufficient elements not to the array, right? Sufficient is సరిపోయిన elements అంతే కదా, sufficient elements to the array. Rest of elements it initialize, compiler initializes to 0. 5 ఇయ్యాలి, we did not pass 5 elements. Okay, we did not pass 5 elements. How many you passed? Only one element you passed. Rest of elements, remaining elements are it initialized to 0. Yeah, next one, 17th one. If it is an integer array, it initializes zeros. If it is a character array, it initializes with the slash zeros, guys. Now 17th one, see this. First element is what? See, character array. This is called character array, guys. Integer array. Now whatever we discuss in integer array, now it's a character array. Rest of elements it initializes with the slash zeros. This is a of 0. First element is a of 0. Here we initialize, character array initializes to slash 0. What is slash 0? Null character it is. A of 0. This is a of 1, a of 2, okay, a of 3, and a of 4 till a of 4 only. 0 to 4. Seventeenth one. Next one. Next one, guys. 18th one. See, what are the 18th and 19th one? Remaining series. Yeah, guys, write these all. Why it's error, I will tell you. Okay, till 26. Why 18th one is error? I will tell you first, right? Guys, tell me why 18th one is error. Character, single quotes you have to write, guys. We did not write single quotes. Yeah, which one you have doubt, guys? See here, single colons are not there. 18th one, it's error. Single colon should be there. 19th one is ABC, it's a okay. 19th one is valid. 20th one, 65, 66, 67. Character ABC. Capital letters we have taken, guys. ASCII value is this. 21st one, see once. 0 to 9. We can write 0 to 9, they are characters. It's a valid. But 10 is not character. 20 is not character. We cannot write in single colon. 22nd one, it's a error. 25th one, right? 23rd one, ABCD. We should give the space for null character, guys. Okay. Here it's a why it is error. We should give space for null character. Okay. We should not initialize 5. Here A of 5 we can't write, guys. ABCD. This is valid, guys. One space you have to give in the out of 5 location. We should not give a 5. One location you have to give. Next, this one, A of 5 equals to ABCDF. Error it is because more than 5 characters. 10, it's a valid. Hello spaces also you can write. Valid, guys. You have 2 into 3, valid. 1. 2 plus 3 is valid. 2 into 3 is valid. Okay, if you get a number, that is valid. Expression is valid. Completed, huh? Till 26. Next one, guys. How to access array elements. Just last program. I will tell this and I will stop. How to access array elements. Yeah, guys. How to access array elements? Write a point. Okay, we can access array elements 2 ways, guys. We can access array elements 2 ways. What are those 2 ways? First one is what? Second one is what? Using index and using address. Yeah, using index and using address, guys. We can access array elements 2 ways. One is using index and using address. Address means pointer, guys. Using pointer. Yeah, now I will show you a program, guys. Listen carefully. Important. If you know how to access array elements, right? In this program we discuss how to access array elements. What are the different ways? Completed, huh? Yeah, right. We can access array elements 2 ways, guys. One is using index and using addresses. Using index and using addresses, guys. Yeah, I will show you in the program. Okay. See, guys. Listen carefully. Now I want to take one array, guys. Int A of 3 with 3 elements. I want to take a. What are the elements it is having? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 3 elements it is having, guys. Okay. See this. 10, 20, 30. How these elements will be stored? See, for example, A is 10 and A of 3. For example, it creates like this, right? Array means it creates 3 elements. A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2. This is the first element. A of 0, A of 1 and A of 2. Yeah, what are the addresses I will write? I will depends upon that. I will check it, guys. This is 10, right? 20, it's a 30. 3 elements created. First, what is A? A is a pointer, right? I want to print A, guys. A or address of A. What is this value will print? First, I want address of first element. I will get address, guys. See how to get the address. I will take one more pointer also, guys. Declare one more pointer, star p. I will use pointer later. Okay, not now. See, guys. Now I want to write printf. What is address I am going to print? Percentile u. Okay. So can I use a and p value? What is a? P equals to, can I write p equals to a? What is p equals to a or p equals to address of a? These all are same, guys. P equals to a or p equals to address of a or p equals to address of a of 0 first element or p equals to a plus 0. These all are same, guys. P equals to address of a. Now I will show you. See this a and p values. What is a? P. Both are pointing same location. P is what? P is also nothing but a. You can write like this also. P equals to address of a. Now check it, guys. What is p? That address is printing what? 65,520. Now I will write a clear screen. See this one. What is the A and P values you are printing? What is A? See this 65,520, 65,520. Are you following, guys? This is what it is printing. This value is how much? This address is, guys, tell me the addresses. This value is how much? 65,520, guys. What about next address? What about next address, guys? 65,522. Yes or no? What is this address? 65,524. This is a 524. Okay. What is P? P is also pointing same location. What is A? A is also pointing same location. Both are pointing same location, guys. What is A? What is A also pointing same location? P also pointing same location. Are you following? Can I write star A and star P? See this. Now one printf statements I will write. Now addresses also. What is this address? This is 65,520, right? This is also 65,520. The diagram also we draw. Now see the values, guys. Can I print printf? See this. Now I am going to print the values. Percentile D, star A, star P. Guys, tell me what is star A, what is star P. Guys, tell me what is star A. What is A? Address, right? 65,520. What is star A? Value at address. What is P? 65,520. What is the value? Value at address, right? Yeah, what is that address? 65,520. That value you will get. What is that value, guys? 10 and 10. This value is 10 and 10. See this. Okay, na? Can I print the addresses, guys? One by one element. How to get the address? See, first element address if you want, guys. For example, we can get address of A of 0. What is address of A of 0? In this case, write address of A of 0. Nothing but we get what? A plus 0 also, both are same. Address of A of 0, A plus 0. What you will get? 65,520 will get, guys. 65,520. Second row, second element address if you want. Address of A of 1. What is address of A of 1 or A plus 1 you can write. If I write A plus 1 also, same, guys. A plus 1 means what? Which location? A nunchi one distance location ante ardham. Next location ane. P plus 1 we discussed, right? What is P plus 1? What is P plus 2? 65,522 it is. Address of A of 2. What is address of A of 2, guys? Yesterday class we discussed, right? What is A plus 1, A plus 2, right? See this. P plus 1, P plus 3, P plus plus, yesterday class, right? What is this value? 65,524. You understood, guys? A of 0 or A plus 0, both are same. Okay, address of A of 0 or A plus 0. Address of A of 1 or A plus 1. Both values address. Can I print address? We can print address, guys. Can I print address? If you want addresses, we can print that. Okay, I'm not going to. In the diagram, you draw the values, guys. Okay, now how to get the values? For example, if you want to get the values, first value how to get, guys? A of 0. How to get A of 0? Yes. 10 you will get. Star A plus 0, can I write star A plus 0? Yes, star A plus 0. What is A plus 0, guys? For A means how much? 65,520 plus 0. 65,520 plus 0. Then what is the answer we'll get, guys? That is 10. Okay. A of 1. Can I write A of 1? Yes, we can write, guys. Star A plus 1 we can write. What is star A plus 1? A plus 1 is address. Star A plus 1 is a value. That is 20. A of 2. Can I write A of 2? Yes, we can write A of 2, guys. What is A of 2? Nothing but a star A plus 2. What is star A plus 2, guys? A nunchi second distance lo undi. That is our element, right? Second, next address. Next, this is the next one. A, this is the A value, right? 65,520. The address value. Star means what? Star A plus 0. Star A plus 1. Star A plus 0. For example, see, star A plus 0 or A plus 1, guys. A plus 0 if I write. A plus 0 means what? Star 65,520 plus 0. Yes or no? What is A value? Star 65,520 0. Plus 0 means what? No moving, right? That is star 65,520. Star 65,520 is how much? 10, right? Same way. You understood this? Same. For example, star A plus 1 if I write. For example, star A plus 1. What is star A plus 1, guys? Tell me. Star 65,520. 520 plus 1. What is the plus 1 means? Next location, right? Star 65,520 plus 1. Next location. What is the next location, guys? 65,522. Next location is that. Star 65,000. This parenthesis is not required. 65,522. What is that value? It's a 20. Same. Star A plus 0 or A of 1. You can write this way. Different ways you can write. See once, guys. You understood? Now I will print array elements, guys. How I am going to print? See this. Different ways I will write. Percentile D. percentile, percentile. Can I print A of 0, guys? Yes. A of 1, yes. A of 2, yes. See this, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. Now I'll print the elements 10, 20, 30. This element is what? 10, 20, 30. Yeah, see guys. Can I print the same 0 of 1, 0 of A, or see this guys. Now we can write a printf of, now I am going to write percentile, percentile and percentile. What is this? A of 0. Can I write 0 of A? Yes. 1 of A? Yes. 2 of A? Yes. These are all values are same guys. This is how much? This is also 10, 20, 30. This 10, 20, 30. This is also same guys. You understood? Star A plus 0 also we can write star A plus 1, right? We can write like this. Okay, what is the other way guys? 0 of A or A of 0, both are same guys. 0 of A or A of 0, both are same. Now one more is what is the other way guys? Printf of, can I write a star A plus 0, star A plus 1, percentile, percentile, percentile. A plus 0 is the address, right? Star A plus 0. What is star A plus 0 guys? And star A plus 1, can I write star A plus 1? See this, can I write star A plus 2? Yes. Star A plus 2, yes, we can write guys. Then what are the values? This is also 10, 20, 30. See once, this value also 10, 20, 30. This is with respect to what I have written guys, with respect to A. P is also pointer, right? P is also pointer. Can I write with P also? Yes guys. P of 0, can I write? Yes. P of 1, yes. P of 2, yes. 0 of P, yes. 0 of 1 of P, yes. 2 of P, yes. Star P plus 0, that is with respect to P. This is, now I am writing with respect to P. Can I write a with P? Yes, with respect to P. P is also pointer, A also pointer, but different. What is the different? I will tell you. Both are pointers. Only difference is what? See, can I print the values, guys? Percentile, percentile, percentile. How to print? P of 0. Can I use P of 0? Yes. 0 of P, guys. Yes. 0 of P also valid. Star P plus 0. Yes. Star P plus 0 also valid, guys. What are the values it prints? 10, 10, 10. The new values is 10, 10, 10. It will be printed. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. What is the main difference between P and A? This is also pointer. This is, I said, right? This array pointer, this array kind of pointer, it's normal pointer. Difference is what? See once. If I say P plus plus, guys, what is P plus plus? I said, right? P plus plus means next location. What A plus plus is error. You cannot move. See once. I will show you what is the main error. P plus plus. Can I write P plus plus, guys? Now I'm writing P plus plus. No errors. There is no errors, right? Because P value you can move, but A plus plus is a constant pointer. We cannot move. That is a L value required. This is error guys, we cannot move this location, right? Error, because A is a constant pointer. A is a constant pointer. We can't change the location of A. Constant pointer, we can't change the location of, A. Okay, we can't change the location of A, guys. Same, but P is a what? Variable pointer, guys. P is a variable pointer, right? We can change the location of P. Okay, P value we can change one location to another location. P is a valid. P is a, it is valid, guys. P is a variable pointer. Variable pointer. We can change the location. We can change the location of P, but we can't change the location of A. Okay, understood, right? Yeah, now we write a program. Write this program, guys, and the diagram also. Quickly, guys, take quickly write that values also, guys. What is this printing the values also? How to print the values? A of 0, 0 of A, all are valid. Okay, complete quickly. The diagram also. Completed. Yeah, guys, take this screenshot, this diagram also, guys. Screenshot completed. Take screenshot. Alt print screen. And also draw this diagram also, guys. Draw this diagram quickly. What is A of 0? This addresses APR both are pointers. A of 0, address of A of 0, address of A of 1, and address of A of 2. Okay, write this diagram also. Draw the diagram. Guys, completed. Tell me if completed. Completed. Yeah, guys, that's all today. If not completed, take screenshot, guys. Thank you, guys. We can leave. Tomorrow we'll discuss some array programs and how to read array. Yeah, Pawan, it is valid. A of 2 into 3. 6. Size is 6. That's all, guys. Thank you.